In today's video, I'm going to show you how to link pages in Webflow. So start by opening up your project in Webflow Designer. Then next in the left panel, click on Pages. And here, make sure that you're on the right page with the element that you'd like to link. And once inside, select the element you want to turn into a link. So it could be a button, text, or image. Then next is click on the gear icon beside the element's name. So here you'll see different types of link destinations. So you can link an element to an external URL or to a page or in a section or email or phone or any asset. So for internal pages, just switch to the Pages tab and pick the page from the drop-down menu. And for sections, choose the element ID you want to jump into. And for basic link, all you have to do is paste the site's URL in this text box. And after setting the link, publish your site and make sure you test it to make sure it navigates correctly. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!